Good morning, everyone. So, class 12 accountancy. Today, we are going to discuss some of the important numericals regarding chapter number 1. Okay, these numericals will cover your concept of interest and drawings, the guarantee to the partner, and some related concepts also. Okay, so we'll discuss 3 questions in today's class. So, let us start with the first question today, which is Rishi is a partner in firm. He withdrew the following amounts during the year ended 31st March 2020. Okay, so Rishi is a partner. ऋषि एक पार्टनर है बेटा और उसने कुछ अमाउंट्स विड्रॉ किए हैं डिफरेंट डेट्स पर. ठीक है, फर्स्ट अमाउंट जो विड्रॉ किया है वो किया है 1st ऑफ मई को एंड सो ऑन ऐसे ही अमाउंट्स को विड्रॉ किया हुआ है. हमें इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स इस पर कैलकुलेट करके बताना है. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. तो फर्दर कुछ अमाउंट इस तरीके से ड्राइंग्स आपको दे रखी हैं. मई 1st को 2019 को ये 12,000 विड्रॉ किया है. सेम विद 31 जुलाई 2019 को 6,000 एंड सो ऑन. तो ऐसे जब भी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जब ड्राइंग्स की गई है डिफरेंट डेट्स को, हाउ विल कैलकुलेट दिस, आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग, आइए देखेंगे बेटा. So for that matter we have to create a table like this. In first column we'll simply mention the date, okay, the amount, or we can say the drawings amount. In third column months outstanding. Outstanding कब तक देखते हैं अपन, 31st March तक, right? And at the final we'll have the product part. Okay, so let's see. The first drawing has been made on May 1st 2019. So we'll simply mention here 2019 and the drawings is amounted to rupees 12,000 rupees. That 12,000 rupees will be mentioned here. How many months have been left from 1st May till 31st March? So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. 11 months outstanding. So 12 into 11, that will be 1,32,000. The next part, 31st July, and the amount of drawing is 6,000 rupees. Right? How many months are outstanding? So the drawing has been made on 31st of July. So July के बाद में August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March we have. 6 8s are 48. At the next part, the next drawing has been made on 30th of September and the amount is 9,000 rupees. 30th of September. How many months are outstanding? 6 months. So this will be 54,000. The next part, November 30, 12,000. 30th November, 12,000 rupees. How many months have been outstanding? 4. 12 4Z, 48,000, right? Next to it is January 1st, 8,000. 1st of Jan. So how many months are outstanding? 3. 24,000 will be here. And the last drawing has been made on 31st of March 2020, amounting to rupees 7,000 rupees. Okay. So how many months are outstanding? 0. 7,000 multiplied by 0 will give 0 only. Now we'll simply add all these items, all these products. So how much will be the sum? 3,06,000. Very good. Now simply we have to calculate the interest on drawing. How it will be calculated? Simple formula beta. That is the product का जितना भी sum आया, the interest on drawing and 1 upon 12. तो सिंपली अपन इसको कट करेंगे बेटा, 3 3 3 4 राइट, 4 एंड इसको अपन कट करेंगे, 2 2 2 5 3 0 1 5 3 0, अगेन इट विल बी कट 7 6 and 5, 7 6 5 into 3, how much it will be? 2295, right? 2295. So this will be the final answer. So like this we can calculate interest on drawing. तो क्यों हमने ड्राइंग्स के लिए टेबल कैलकुलेट जो है वो मेंटेन करी? बड़ा सिंपल सी बात है, क्योंकि डिफरेंट डेट्स को ड्राइंग की गई है, तो एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न नहीं है कि मंथ के लास्ट में, मंथ के स्टार्टिंग में, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, राइट? इट इज लाइक कि किसी पर्टिकुलर डेट को ड्राइंग की, तो इस तरीके की टेबल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज अगेन भरम इज अ पार्टनर इन अ फर्म. भरम एक पार्टनर है जी फर्म में. He withdrew 3000 at the starting of each month. कितना पैसा वो विड्रॉ करते हैं? 3000 rupees at the starting of each month. Okay? अच्छा, starting of each month का क्या मतलब होता है? That means first drawing जो की गई होगी वो कब की गई होगी? क्योंकि हमारा जो अकाउंटिंग ईयर होता है that will starts from 1st April till 31st March. तो फर्स्ट ड्राइंग जो की गई होगी बेटा, दैट विल बी ऑन 1st April. एंड हाउ मच द अमाउंट इज? ओके, नाउ लास्ट ड्राइंग कब की गई होगी? 1st of March, right? Is the year also given here? No. Amount again 3000 rupees, right? Now, so what was the formula to calculate the average period? एवरेज पीरियड कैलकुलेट करने का क्या फॉर्मूला हमने देखा था? मंथ्स आउटस्टैंडिंग आफ्टर फर्स्ट ड्राइंग एड मंथ्स आउटस्टैंडिंग आफ्टर लास्ट drawing. Upon 2. So first drawing has been made on 1st of April. So simply we will calculate from 1st April till 31st March. The year is closing on 31st March only. So how many months are there starting from 1st April till 31st March? Whole 12 months. So we'll write here simply 12. Then month is outstanding after last drawing. So last drawing has been made on 1st of March. Starting from 1st of March till 31st March. How many months are there? Only one month. So we'll simply add 1 year. So 13 divided by 2, which is 6.5. So this will be our average period. Now, total drawings for the whole year कितनी हो गई? 3000 per month, and total year, the total months are 12. So this will be 36,000 for the whole year, right? Now, simply interest on drawing we have to calculate. For that, we'll simply have this 36,000, and how much is the interest on capital, interest on drawing? That is given 10%. That is given as 10% per annum. Per annum I already told you, per year, right? So 10% per annum or per year, 10 upon 100. And how much was the average period? That was 6.5 divided by total months, which is 12. Now simply we will have basic maths here, right? Now, how much the amount will be? 12, 1, 12, 3, 30 into 65. How much the amount is? 1950. Simple. 1950. So that is your answer in simple solution, right? Like this, we can calculate interest on drawing if the amount is withdrawn per month on the starting, at the starting of the month, right? So yes, definitely this is the question from NCERT also. Let's discuss another question. By doing this question, we'll have a complete overview regarding the guarantee to a partner. Okay. The question is Abhay, Siddharth and Kusum. So as I have already told you, whatever the question is given, always make a summary of it. जब भी क्वेश्चन बेटा दिया जाए हमेशा उसकी समरी जरूर बनाइए. Like this also, here the solution is given. Abhay, then we have Siddharth, and the third partner is Kusum. Their profit sharing ratio is 5, ratio 3, ratio 2. Okay. Now Kusum is guaranteed for minimum profit how much the minimum profit is 10,000 rupees as stated here. राइट 10,000 रुपए का कम से कम प्रॉफिट इनको होगा ही होगा. व्हाट इफ ये प्रॉफिट ना हो तो क्या किया जाएगा? सिंपली एनी डिफिशियंसी अराइजिंग ऑन दैट अकाउंट शैल बी मेट बाय सिद्धार्थ. सो डेफिशिएंसी कौन देगा? क्या अभय का कोई पार्ट है इसमें? क्या अभय का कोई पार्ट है? नहीं. राइट नाउ व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर एंडिंग 31st March 2016 एंड 17. तो यहां पर 2 साल के प्रॉफिट दे रखे हैं आप. फॉर 2016 द प्रॉफिट इज गिवन एज 40,000. फॉर 17 द प्रॉफिट इज गिवन एज 60,000 रेस्पेक्टिवली. प्रिपेयर P&L appropriation account. So in this question you have to prepare P&L appropriation twice. 2 बार आपको इसमें P&L appropriation बनाना पड़ेगा. So let us see how this P&L appropriation will be made. Whenever these types of question comes now, students get confused whether to prepare only P&L account for once or twice. But definitely you have to prepare P&L appropriation account twice. This is for the year ending 31st March 2017, right? Now according to the format, here we will have the particulars. Here the debit part is given. Here the amount will be entered. Again here particulars. And here the credit part will be given, right? First of all, the starting will simply post the profit. So this will be by P&L account. how much the profit was? 40,000 is for 2017. We will simply post 40,000 here. Now this 40,000 has to be distributed among three of the partners, right? So let's mention that two partners capital account. One partner was, I guess first is Abhay, right? First is Abhay. Second is Siddharth. And third is Kusum. Okay. So 40,000 is to be distributed among the partners in the ratio 5:3:2. So for Abhay, how much the profit will be? सबसे पहले what we'll do, sum of the ratios, and that is 5:3:2, that is equals to 10. Simply we have to calculate part of Abhay, so we'll divide it by the whole ratio and multiply it by the profit. So out of 40,000, how much part will be provided to Abhay? This will be 4,000 and 20,000, right? For Siddharth, it will be 3 upon total multiplied by 40,000. 0 to 0 cancel out, 12,000. Then we have Kusum, 2 upon 10 into 40,000. Simply we will be having 8. So 28 and 12. This will be posted here. As the partners distributed the profit among themselves, they were ready to leave. But Kusum stopped Siddharth. Siddharth bhai, you have promised me that I'll be having at least profit of 10,000 rupees for the year. But right now I'm gaining only and only 8,000 rupees. So I am left with short 2,000 rupees. So Siddharth has provided the guarantee. That means this 2,000 rupees will be deducted from Siddharth's profits part and added to Kusum's part, right? So simply we'll subtract 2,000 rupees from Siddharth's part. This will be left with 10,000. This will be 20,000 again, and we'll simply add this here, and the amount will be 10,000. This was the guarantee provided, and the amount is being reflected here. Now, this is the deficiency borne by Siddharth, right? And here it will be deficiency. Simple. The whole amount will be 40k here, and again 40k here. So this is how we'll simply have the P&L appropriation account for the year 2017. Now we'll again make P&L appropriation account for the next year. I hope this was clear to everyone. This will be for the year 31st March 2017, right? Yes. What? This is 2017. 16. We have to make it 2016, right? The previous one. This is for 2016. So here we have 2017 part. Again, we'll make a profit and loss appropriation account. The same format is to be carried out. Okay. Simply we'll start it by P&L account. The amount was 60,000. Right? Now the 60,000 has to be distributed among partners. So partners, capital account, one was Abhay, another was Siddharth, third one is Kusum. Total is it has to be 60,000, right? So let's distribute this among the partners. For Abhay, sum of ratios that will be same, that is 5 upon 10, but now the amount is 60,000. So this will be 30,000 for Abhay. For Siddharth, it will be 3 upon 10 into 60,000. And for Kusum, it will be 2 upon 10 into 60,000. So is there any deficiency? Is there any deficiency? 10,000 guarantee किया था. Kusum is getting 12,000. So simply we'll have 30,000 here, then 18,000 here, and 12,000 here. Whole sum up to 60,000. Again here 60,000. And this is how we'll simply have the solution for this question also. So I hope these questions are clear with everyone. अच्छे से आपको इसके कंसेप्ट समझ आए होंगे. एंड यस डेफिनेटली इसी तरह के क्वेश्चंस हम और भी करेंगे हमारी नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में. राइट? कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, कीप लर्निंग, कीप गोइंग. ओके, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू सो मच.